Mom, I will come home late today.
What are you going to do, Malik?
I'm going to do some homeworks with Ahmad and Umar, Mom.
Wow, that's great, Malik.
Well, I'm done with my breakfast, Mom. Thank you, it's delicious.
You're welcome, my son. Are you ready to go to school?
Yes, Mom. I'm ready. I'll go now.
Be careful, Malik. Be nice to your friends and respect your teachers.
Of course, Mom. See you soon, Mom. Goodbye. Goodbye, Malik.
Now, answer the following questions.
1. What expressions do you find in the dialogue? 2. When do we use those expressions? 3. How does the boy take a leave? 4. How does his mother respond to it? 5. What are the other examples of taking leave and the responses? Well, guys, discuss your answers with your teacher. Goodbye.